Hello, Laz, and welcome back. So, I'm gonna quickly discuss with you things that you should not be putting on your media kit. Okay, so for your social media brand promotion, do not put on maybe social media platforms that you actually do not use. For example, I don't use Facebook, so I'm not really good with Facebook. So, I wouldn't want my client to expect that I'm gonna be doing promotions there. So, be very specific. If you only do TikTok and Instagram and maybe YouTube, be specific. If you have other like avenues that you use, be specific, and also be specific about your engagement, how well you're able to do that, and also the number of times you're going to do promotions. Are you going to put out videos once a week? Are you putting out videos every day of the first week? What are you actually doing? Is it going to be like even in your advertising, is it a video dedicated to the promotion, or are you going to just do a shout out, or you just going to refer the viewers to the business page? Are you going to do a full product unboxing and like pack and maybe advertise packaging? What are you doing? Are you going to have branding on your stuff? So be very specific as to what you're offering your clients, so that they know, so that it's not vague, where sometimes customers will assume, okay, I thought I'd be getting this, because sometimes they'll just be like, okay, I'm going to be doing a promotion. What type of promotion? Is it a channel shout out? Is it a post? Is it an Instagram story? Is it a full YouTube detailed video of the business offering? Or is it just when I start my video, I'm just going to give you a mention today. Today's video is sponsored by XYZ. Be very specific, okay? When you're approaching a marketing department or other brands, be specific as to what you're going to be offering them, and from this collaboration, what are the benefits on both ends? What are the expectations, so that you're able to manage expectations, okay? It's very important to do that, and just to be very mindful of that. And also, I think with media kits, it's also good to have your pricing, right? And your pricing, I feel like, needs to be a reflection also of your capability as a content creator. You are not going to be charging like a premium price if you cannot pull traction. You can also not measure the amount of sales that you've brought and stuff. Hence, you see people, sometimes these content creators will have these customer codes. When you buy and use my customer code, so that the brands and the businesses, can almost gauge that you're able to bring maybe 100 customers. It's an example, right? So make sure that your pricing is in line with the type of value that you're going to be giving to your client, which is the brand at the time. So I'd like to say that when you're starting off, be very mindful. You can do good research, right? There are a lot of people that are already in this business that will charge 200 Rand for a channel shout out and whatnot, and start to gauge. I'm not saying you must use prices that other people are using, but you need to be able to give value for marketing. For marketing, the customer is now paying or giving you something, and in return they're expecting some type of benefit, some type of this is what we got out of this promotion. Okay, promotion is not about you just posting something, no views, no engagement. Yes, we're not going to have the same level of engagement, but you really need to be intentional. Okay, you need to be intentional. You need to be service-based, to say, okay, to my clients, this is what I'm offering, and this is what I'm going to be able to pull. So that's another thing in this marketing game, influencer marketing, social media marketing, content creation thing, is for you to be able to gauge clients, to bring out product knowledge, to penetrate, to be consistent at that. It mustn't just be a once-off where people just feel like, okay, because you get a lot of brands now very reluctant to do influencer marketing, because they'll invest or send something and they'll just get one video, and in that video it's not even a detailed video about the actual offering, and they never get anything else out of that. There are no sales. They can't really gauge as to how effective that marketing campaign or that marketing attempt was. So it's important as a small content creator to make sure you're giving your clients value for money, and that it's a long-lasting relationship where you work with brands on a long-term basis. Okay, yes, you'll get things where it's an ad hoc, it's a once-off, we're having an event, we'd like you to do this. When the event is gone, then there's nothing more else. But like when people are paying you, you really need to make sure that they get value for money. If you may be a bigger content creator, you're able to get that value, that one video and that one promotion, and you're able to pull on people, that's great. But when you know that you're not as great and as grand, you know, in a sense of views, then you got to be a little bit more consistent. You got to put in a little bit more work. You need to give value to the brands that are going to be working with you, okay, so that you can, you know, make up for those numbers at certain, you know, in certain spaces, okay. Yes, like I said, it's a journey. When you start off, it may be hard, but when you get there, you get there. But it's the work that goes in there. It's being very serious about what you do and just being very, very honest, okay. So like I said, don't take it as okay, because I don't have numbers, I can't do it. No, you just have to put in a little bit more effort, sometimes effort that other maybe content creators don't need to put in at the moment, because they've already built up such a good brand rep for themselves. They have a good following, they have a good level of engagement, and they're able to persuade and influence people to buy certain things, okay. That's what it is. It's a journey. You do get there, but you got to put in a lot of work, and that putting in a lot of work means you need to be creative, you need to be consistent, you need to be doing the very best. All right, so that's what I'm going to stress for this video. As new content creators, don't be discouraged. We just have to work. You can get there. There's many ways of doing certain things and achieving similar, if not the same, success. So without further ado, guys, you already know. Please like, please subscribe, tell your friends to tell their other friends to come check out what we got. And I want all the micro content creators to just stay tuned, okay. Have faith in yourself and have faith in what you're offering. Just need to be consistent, and you need to take what you do very seriously. If you can do that, that's the number one rule. If you can take your content creation seriously, when you take it seriously, it means you're consistent with recording, you're consistent with uploading, you're consistent with trying to get research, improving your offering, okay. You will see it over time. You will definitely see this over time, and it will definitely be to your benefit, okay. So make sure, if you take what you do seriously, you're going to make sure that you improve in all aspects and all spheres of this content creation, be it uploading right, tagging, editing, you know, lighting, camera accessories, PR work, brand collaborations, emailing. You grow. It is a journey, guys. That's a journey. You don't start off and you're the greatest, but you grow. So you just need to take whatever you do seriously. I'll see you guys in my next video. And guys, let's grow. Tell me what you guys think in the comment section. Let's engage with the other young content creators. What strategies have they implemented to grow as new content creators? We'd love to hear from you. I'd love to hear from you, because I'm really interested in learning. I feel like I have more to learn from you guys than what I have to offer you guys. But nonetheless, see you guys in my next video.